Welcome to the Dauin, a small town in Negros Oriental with a population of 30,000 people. And today we're gonna check out the beaches. They have very nice beach here, as you guys can see, and a neighborhood. And overall, how is the life quality here in Dauin? So yeah, let's go. Mainapuun. Kumusta ka? Maayo. Okay, rako. Oh no. What is this?
Red horse.
Mestiza.
Oh wow. Is that the beer?
Yeah, this is a beer.
With the ice? A cold beer. I don't drink alcohol. I will get so drunk even if I drink a little bit.
Just a little.
I cannot. I will get drunk. I don't drink alcohol at all. What is this one? Is that the beans?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Just.
Looks yummy. Looks yummy. And what is this?
That's maya maya.
It's vegetables. Oh no.
Vegetable and maya maya.
A fish.
They have a
Okay.
fish.
And that's pancit. Very yummy food. But me, I'm not gonna drink. I will get drunk.
No drunk. It's a shot.
Okay, I will try. I will just
Drunk
taste
is,
it. I will
bad.
just taste. I will just taste.
Yeah,
Taste.
yeah,
I'm not
taste,
gonna drink
only
everything.
taste.
I'm not gonna drink everything.
It's
It's very good. I cannot drink. Sorry. I will just get drunk so easily. Yeah.
Only taste.
Yeah, I cannot drink. If I drink this, I will be drunk because I don't drink alcohol, and I have to do work.
Your wife.
No, she don't drink also. She never drink alcohol in her life.
Thank you.
She never even tasted.
Okay. Where you come?
Tumageta.
Uh,
Before we came
Your place?
Europe. Yeah, Estonia.
I love Europe.
Oh, thank you so much. Salamat, salamat.
My family in Europe.
Okay, okay.
Ah.
Really?
I love
Working.
Yeah, working.
Oh, what work they do there?
Yeah, nurse and
Oh, wow.
caregiver.
Okay, so they make cool money over there. Which country are they?
Yeah.
Which country in Europe?
This Philippines.
Yeah, but what
Why come
country?
here this very poor and corrupt?
The weather.
The weather?
Yeah, the weather is nice.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, you are right. It is very poor and very crap.
Yeah.
Everything is
Philippines
bad here.
very poor.
Yeah, it is beautiful, but government system is very bad.
corrupt.
Very. It's suffering.
Suffering.
Yeah.
They always drink beer.
Yeah,
Suffering, they always drink.
yeah. So you can be happy.
You can be a nuclear, at least be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me try this.
A native.
I will try the native cigarette. Let me try this. But let me take yours. Let me just try yours. It's okay. Then.
That's not cannabis. That's only tobacco.
Mm. It is good actually. It is good. Yeah,
Yeah, tobacco.
it is good.
If you go to Jamaica,
Very good. Salamat.
that's cannabis.
Oh no, it's okay.
Supposed to be.
It's okay. Oh really? Cannabis inside? No, it's okay. It's okay. I will eat later. I will eat later. If I eat right now, then I have so many excuses.
Thank you.
Not to drink and not to eat. So many excuses.
I love you.
Okay. Salamat. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It's my birthday. Can you?
Oh, happy birthday. How old are you now?
I am 43.
43. You look so young.
Handsome.
Yeah.
Like you.
Oh, thank you. Salamat.
But how about you? How old are
I'm
you
33.
33?
Yeah.
I.
Do I look older or younger?
No, you're so.
I'm okay.
You cute.
Oh, thank you. Salamat. But I have a wife.
Your wife. You. Asa ka day?
Di magdite.
Dumagite.
Yeah. Okay, we will go. Thank you. Salamat for your hospitality.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday also.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Jade Piñales.
Jade. My name is Sim.
Sim.
Yeah, Sim. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Is that your daughter?
No, my. Okay, pamangkin kining.
Niece.
Okay, salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you around maybe. Thank you. What a friendly people, huh?
Yeah, I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. Mwah, mwah, mwah. In it, very hot. Sir.
Lockdown.
He's drunk, right? Yeah.
Yeah, he's drunk.
Drink too much coconut wine. And I will do the speed test also. Let's see. They have a nice internet here. Nice download. You see the upload also. Very fast.
Oy.
And upload also. Very nice upload. 20 megabits per second. Shut up, dog! I'm coming. Peace. What's up, dog?
Lots of dog.
How are you? Say hello.
Ayo!
Oh, she will sit down. She's tired. Let's check out this small town where they manufacture cocaine. I think they're making here
What is that?
vinegar, I think.
Oh yeah.
Coconut vinegar.
Damn, we're crazy.
Let's see.
We come here. Maybe it's it's a vinegar.
Here, let me smell it.
Vinegar.
I don't give a F. Ooh la la. Ooh, it smells like a. But I like it. I like it.
But you can drink it.
Of course you can drink it.
You will
Guys,
get drunk if you
the
drink
coconut
it.
vinegar. I will show you the trees. These trees, in springtime, they will give out liquid. And if you just let that juice from these trees, you just let it sit, then it will smell and taste exactly like this coconut vinegar. So let's go further. Let's see. Let's see what the jungle is offering for us. It's very nice. It's so
Come,
soft.
I want you to try this fruit.
What fruit?
Come here, come here, come here. That one.
Where?
Can we get one? That one.
Where?
That fruit.
I cannot even see what fruit are
They
remaining.
they're here. I want you to try.
So go get me one. I don't want to go there. Maybe I will get bitten by the snake. I will just follow you with the camera while you get me one.
They're very sweet fruit. Oh la la. Very sweet one.
Okay,
So delicious. So.
let's try it. Let's try it. Let's taste it. Give me one.
Let me clean it.
So how do you eat that?
A good fruit.
A good fruit.
Bite.
What the fuck? What the hell is that? Why is it so bitter? Damn, it's so bitter.
No, it's sour.
Oh my fucking. Damn, that's very sour.
It's like a lemon, right?
Yeah, but it's so juicy also.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is good. Maybe it's healthy.
Yeah, it is.
Damn, I want to go
Some.
away from this place. I'm so like, mosquitoes are eating me. I'm covered with the mosquitoes. Mainapoon!
Yeah, so
So many scooters here. Let's take the sparks over here.
drinking.
One is one is playing guitar. Let me put the camera on his face. Hello, sir. Thank you. Yeah, lots of locals actually.
What
Lots of
today?
locals. I don't know what day is today.
Tuesday. But
Tuesday.
damn, there's lots of people.
Yeah, the guy's already drinking.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mainapoon.
It's my own happen.
My own hapon.
It's my own.
Hey,
Kumusta mo? If you see lots of them, say kumusta mo.
kumusta mo?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you see one, then say kumusta ka.
Mainapoon. Touch the water and tell us, is the water cold or is it hot? Oh wow. Can you touch it? Or you gonna?
Try. Of course it's cold.
It's cold. That's nice.
Yeah, very cold.
Yeah.
Very cold.
Let's check out the boat. I will try to sit on a boat. For example, this boat here. Look how small it is. Selena,
Not this one.
I will try to sit on this boat.
Yeah, that one, not this
I can't believe it. Like, damn. Damn, look at this boat. How small this is. Damn. I can't imagine if I have to like go fish with this kind of boat. My hips don't even fit here. Yeah, oh wow. Ay. I don't know how to sit here. Damn, it's a very small boat. Really, I'm not gonna fit here. I cannot fit here. Look how tiny it is. I'll just put my hand here. Like, look at this. Imagine your ass will have to fit here. Damn. And they are with that kind of boats. They are at the sea. Of course, they have a bigger one here also. Do they have an engine here also? No, I don't see the engine. Yeah. Beaches in Dauin are nice, for sure. Very nice. Greg and Joel, thank you so much for your donations. Like, thank you so much. It's too much. It's too much, really. I didn't expect you guys to donate that much. And Joel, I noticed you are in my country, so thank you so much. Yeah, so we can do. So before we went up to the north, now we're gonna go to the south, and we will do 5 cities, and the 5th city will be 110 kilometers away. So from that city, we're just gonna start going forward. We're gonna stay in the hotel. We're not gonna go back. So your support is very, very important. Thank you so much for your donations. Thank you. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Pineapple. Very nice place. Let's see how the locals are living. Ooh. Look at this. That's where the guys are chilling mostly. Drinking some beer. What's up, bro? Kamusta ka? Maayo. Very cool. Oh, look at this bird. What the hell is this?
Duck.
Like a dinosaur. Bad thing is that they have the music here. Hello to you also.
It's at the end.
Let's check over there. Pineapple. Kamusta ka? Maayo. Okay, rako. A nice place. Oh, they have a church. Oh my God. Look at this beautiful rooster. Look at this rooster. Look how big the feet are. Strong. Very strong.
Let's come here.
Oh wow, they're training the roosters over there. Yeah, the street will go even more up. Look at this, guys. How people are living here. You have the cows. Basically, they live with the animals. Pineapple. Kamusta ka? Maayo. Oh, damn, I eat the Cholina food and now I'm like doing that sound. So guys, we are asking your support for the upcoming videos so we can go further and further, so we don't have to come back to the home anymore. We can just stay. Hello, sir. We can just go to the city to city, stay to the hotel. But for that, we just need your support. So I will put the payment link under the video description where you can donate us so we can start showing every day. We can start posting every day a new video. So we're really counting on your support. And yeah, and that's it for today's video.
Yeah.
That was the Dauin.
See you in the next town.
See you in the next town. The next town will be Sapagueta.
Sambongera.
Yeah, see you. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.